Okay, I have one more segment that we're going to give attention to, and it's on page 33 this time. 32, 33, the policeman enters the yard, and Sophia asks the policeman, "Where your mother?" Policeman say, "My mother home." Sophia, she should be ashamed of herself, having a little boy like you playing policeman. Policeman says, "I could take care of myself, lady, don't worry." I'm going to skip a little bit. Esther's asking questions, her mother shuts her up. Sophia, "Rosa, mind hold the little boy hand as soon as he gets on the sidewalk." So that's Sophia making fun of the policeman and Rosa. Esther laughs loudly at her mother's remark, and Sophia cuts into the laughter. Page 33. "Esther, it's time you start your needlework." Esther picks up some of the dishes and she goes out inside. Rosa and the policeman are gone. And Sophia continues, "Well, I glad. I too damn glad somebody outdo the damn old miser at last. Old Mac, lay up not for yourself treasures. God, how I wish was me that pick out the eye. No, sir, all my troubles over." And she sings joyously. "There's no hiding place down here. There's no hiding place down here. I went to the rocks to hide myself. The rocks cried out, I'm hiding too. No hiding place down here." F opens the door and he looks out at Sophia. F says, "Morning." Sophia says, "Aye, aye, beauty, awake?" F said, wide awake. "Funny." "What?" "Rosa was just here trying to wake you up." "Oh." Sophia's door bursts open as Esther races towards F. F, F, you know what happened this morning? Then Sophia shouts, "Young lady!" Esther says, "Ma, inside." "But Ma, I only want inside." You hear me? Big people can't talk these days. You want to put your mouth in it. Inside. Esther looks at her mother. Sophia says nothing. Esther goes into the house. "And don't let me catch you out here again unless I call you." F says, "She was telling me something. Oh, last night somebody break." Mm. "Ephraim, all this morning you been inside there? You wasn't sleeping?" He turns back into the room for a towel and some toiletries. "And when Rosa called you, boy, what tricks you up to?" And so there is a banter going on. F at last comes down into the yard. He said, "Lady, what's the joke?" Sophia said, "It ain't me." F said, "Me? What?" Laughing as he gets her meaning. He turns away, moves down to the water tap, takes a cake of soap. "So you was listening? Then I suppose you heard Rosa say that she want to see you tonight." He is suddenly quite serious. Sophia looking at him. "You up to something? What it is I don't know, but I swear you up to something." "Something like what?" "I don't know. I was only pulling your leg, you know." "I don't think you would steal. Least of all, not from old man." "Thank you." He's crossing towards the shower. Sophia says, "But if Rosa was my daughter, I'd be having some questions to ask." And from down in the street, the Iceman calls, "Ice!" F stops and he turns back to her. "About what?" "You? What kind of questions?" "You don't know?" "No, I don't know." This eye up each other. The Iceman gets nearer. He says, "Ice! Ice! Ice!" And her eyes on Ephraim and the Iceman. The Iceman is so warm, Ephraim says. He don't know. But the only kind of ice I feeling for now is snow. "Ice! Ice! You want a snowball, lady?" Sophia throws a piece of wet clothing at him. Ephraim laughs and drops the cloth back into the tub. As Prince calls from the street, Prince is shouting, Mavis! Mavis! Prince comes running in along the alleyway. Ephraim starts off around the house to the shower. Prince and Ephraim exchange a greeting. We're gonna stop here.